Welcome back to Tim Talks. Appreciate you. We're going to talk a little bit about resumes and making a resume that really stands out and how you can have a striking difference. This is part 2 of our 8-part series, and I hope it helps you with everything we're talking about here today. Tip number 2, write for the future. Before updating your resume, be sure to make sure you're positioning yourself for the company that you're targeting, the job you're targeting. That's why those 5 questions we went over before in last video are so crucial, because those things need to be considered before you even start. Your experience, your achievements, your accomplishments are all part of the resume, but equally as important as the information you provide. How, where, why, all of which are based on the goals for your next career move. So when you write your resume, you're not writing about the past. You have to write about the future, where you're going, what you're going to be doing in the future, and how your resume shines and showing that you're writing for the future. So you're positioning yourself for your next career move. All right, so what I'm going to do is read a few things here to help you understand exactly what needs to be done. You need to do this. Review job postings to gather data and insight. Where do you have related skills and experience in education, qualifications? So all of that's important. Identify your top skills that match the opportunities that you're interested in. Reweigh your skills and accomplishments. So you're going to put the emphasis on professional, technical, and academic skills that align with that new position you're going for. I don't recommend putting in an objective at the top of your resume. Instead, put in targeting positions title at the top of your resume in bold. It specifically leaves no doubt in the role in which you're looking for. Number 3, avoid cringeworthy words. One of the quickest ways to improve your resume is to get rid of the passive words or passive language that you're adding that you might have to it. And you need to have active language. Now, how do we do that? So this top 10 list of cringeworthy words I'm going to have on the list here. They're going to help you understand not to use these, okay? If you want your resume to make a good first impression, you're going to completely take out these words, these useless words, with more meaningful alternatives. And here they are. Demonstrated success in. Number 2, proven results. Number 3, successful or success. Result-driven, result-oriented. Excellent communication skills. Responsible for. Duties include seasoned, accomplished, worked with / served as. And lastly, I strongly urge that you use this with caution. Team player. So using this once is okay, but if you start to use it more than once, it starts to give the employers a negative view of you or a negative impression of this resume. So that's all we have for today. We appreciate you guys being here very much. We're going to start with part 3 next time. We look forward to going over that with you guys. Appreciate you. Check out the links below. We'll talk to you soon. Ciao, ciao. Have a great day.